Good day everyone. For today we're going to tackle about the amino acid and metabolic nitrogen balance and also the amino acid and the nitrogen transfer. So what is an amino acid? Amino acid are the structural components of protein, means proteins are linear polymers of L-alpha amino acids, and that's why protein metabolism can be appropriately learned as amino acid metabolism. So let's first understand what is a nitrogen balance. Unlike carbohydrates and lipids, proteins do not have a specific storage form, and a healthy ideal eating a well-balanced diet is said to be a nitrogen balance. A nitrogen balance is a state in which nitrogen is digested in the form of dietary protein each day is a balance by the amount of excreted, resulting in no need change in the total body nitrogen content. So intake is equal to an output. This illustration shows the nitrogen balance. So there is another condition. It is called the positive nitrogen balance when intake of protein is more than the output of protein, and it is seen in the growing children, pregnant women, and during the recovery after a serious illness, while the negative nitrogen balance when intake is less than the output, and it is seen during lycosis or marasmus. Protein is digested and absorbed to provide amino acid dietary requirements. Absorbed amino acid can be incorporated into a protein used to synthesize other nitrogen-containing compounds and eliminated to a keto acid, which can be used to synthesize other compounds or oxidized to provide energy. Amino acids and nitrogen transfer. Transamination is responsible for most of the nitrogen transfer to and from amino acids. Transamination is the transfer of an amino group for an amino acid to a keto acid. Amino acids are important in metabolism as it carries of usable nitrogen. If an amino acid is not directly incorporated into tissue proteins, its nitrogen may be incorporated into various molecules. When an amino acid is used for some purpose other than protein synthesis, the amino acid's carbon skeleton is separated from the amino acids. Transamination is also the first step in the conversion of carbon skeletons of amino acid to energy storage compounds. Transamination involves many different molecules, with each different transamination requiring a different enzyme. Note that in both transamination reaction, L-glutamic acid is converted to a alpha-ketoglutaric acid. Most transamination reactions use L-glutamic acid. L-glutamic acid is the center of amino acid pool. It can also accept a second nitrogen atom to L-glutamine. L-glutamine serves as a safe package to transporting nitrogen, and also in the human body, L-glutamine is the major compound for transferring nitrogen from one cell to another cell via the blood vessel.